Okay, I'm gonna do a real quick little video here, I think. So I got license plate lights out right now. I got pulled over last night as I was pulling into a fast food restaurant in a little small town, and like I was pulling into a parking spot and got pulled over. And anyway, he said my tail lights were out, or my license plate lights were out, and I was like, both of them? I was like, it's got two of them. They were just working. And he's like, yeah. He said, you don't have anything. He just wrote me a warning. It's kind of funny. The manager of the restaurant was there, and he come out to see what was going on. And then when I went in there, he gave me 25% off my for having to go through that. He thought it was kind of funny. But anyway, I got 25% off. I got a warning. Found out the lights weren't working. So anyway, so not too long ago, I bought this little tester. I got to turn the car on for it to work. So I just bought it off Amazon. Works great, I think. Anyway, we're going to test these wires, see if we get power back here. I assume it's probably getting not getting power, because how would both of them go off at the same time? All right, let me check. Hello. All right. So, got this. Plugs directly into the cigarette lighter, or it's got clamps that will plug in, or clamp right onto your battery. So either way, you need it. Let you know. It's got a little light. Let you know it ain't working. So it's got power back here. I hold it to the positive, it should be giving me something. No. Hold it to the negative, I get a sound, and I get a green light. Alright, so I know I'm not getting power back here. I got a good ground, I don't have power. Alright, so pretty certain it's fuse. Well, another thing we can do is I can throw power right here, and by pushing this up arrow, not throwing the light on. Anyway, it's giving me an issue. So, we have an issue here. Definitely have a ground. Alright, so I'll show you where the fuse is. We'll get that changed out. Come back here and test that. Alright, okay, so we're right down here under the dash, under the steering wheel. And so I had to Google it, because Volkswagen does not want to tell you what these fuses mean. The panel that I pull off doesn't have it on the inside. The owner's manual does not tell you. It just tells you where it is. It doesn't tell you which fuse is which. So I was able to Google it though, and they say 7th from the left on top. This little 5-amp fuse here. Pull it out, and it actually appears to be good, but we'll get the meter out and we'll test it and see if it's any good. All right, y'all, hold on. Okay, we'll get our meter set over here so it'll tone. And I'll put it to the side, and it's kind of hard to hold it. The other one down. Just across it, nothing. To show you, it's reading. I touch the probes together, nothing across there. There's a used one actually pulled out of a car I pulled apart that I parted out. So test it. Yeah, it's ringing out just fine. Alright, so we'll stick this in there and we'll see if that does the trick. One, it's all required. Let's see why the other one's not working. Alright, hold on. Okay, so I think that one bulb was burnt out. This one was sketchy. If you hit it just right, it'd go out. But so I had a bad fuse, and I had one bad bulb and one kind of iffy. So I had these LEDs laying around from another vehicle that I put some in, so stuck those in there, and good to go. So anyway, we'll have LEDs back here. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.